everyone, I'm here to share with you my journal, Golden Days of Fall, which was a design team project for Collage Type. So most of the pieces in here are from that kit that she has on her Etsy listings. Okay, so to start, it is 9 inches high by 6 inches wide. It's about a 1 inch spine, give or take a little. And then this is the back cover, which is just plain fabric. And then here I have a little policy kind of tie, like a button. And this just goes around it like this and closes the journal. Okay, so I'm going to open that, and there's a total of 92 pages. Now, I didn't put a pocket here. I guess you could if you'd like to. I just didn't. So here's the first page, and we have a little pocket here with this little tag with the squirrel on it, which I thought was really cute. I did a little different in tabs. I just sewed some fabric to the top. There's several pages for just journaling. This is straw paper here, and I just folded it over to fit in there without cutting it off. This is a card that I made from Vintage Postcard, and I just framed it and put that flower on there, and it's kind of fall colors, so I put that in this pocket. More journaling space. Like I said, I left a lot of journaling in here, or it would have been too thick. Okay, this is another pocket we made, which was really cute. Inside here, you can see the butterfly and this little design that I cluster. And this is the card itself, and this is the back. And I just put some writing space on there. And that just slides right back down inside there. And then some more writing. This page has this clipped on to the back of it, and inside of here is another postcard that I made just for fun. Oh, this was for, a Tanya at Tatty Treasures challenge, a postcard challenge. You were supposed to just make marks, and I didn't do very well, but it fits with this journal. And this is an altar paper clip up here, so you can clip something else in here. Another journaling page. Here's another pocket that we made out of a part of a book page. Not a book page, I mean an envelope, what do you call them? Trash envelopes. Junk mail envelope. And then I think I made this card on camera, so I think that turned out cute. This is some vintage book page from, I'm not sure the name of the book. It was sent to me by Kathy, and I can't copy it because I'm sure it's still copyrighted. This page here is just a flip out. It goes all the way out here. You can use it to journal on, or you can, there's room to journal over to the side. And that's the center of the first signatures. There's actually 2 signatures in here. This is the other side of that page. More journaling. Here's a little cluster that I made, and to fit this little tag here. And a doily. This here is a little envelope that Tanya sent me, and I love the green. It just was perfect. And then I just put a couple little journal cards in there, and this is just in a little envelope with the little flowers circles stuck in there. And these I'll show you how to make. These are really easy, and they're cute. I made them bigger ones, but not I haven't showed you those. Let's see, did I put something in here? Yes, I put a journal card in this pocket. And I used one of my leaves and collaged around that. Oops, that's weird. Maybe I need something. It shouldn't really be a problem, but okay. And so then this just goes around like that. This flips out, and inside here is another journal card with one of my leaves on it, and I just stapled this little tag on there. And these envelopes, oh, I just had her name. Now what I do with her? Oh, darn. I think I put it up in my book that I put things in. This is another little specimen card that Tanya sent me, and I just put a couple of my dried leaves in there. And more journaling spots. A lot of journaling spots, huh? This one, I glued this together, and then I put a couple. This is a vintage postcard, and it's from Port Angeles, Washington. And yeah, and so it's the phone number is Crescent 2341. Like the old time we used to just, I think ours was like telegraph or something like that. Okay, this is a little CD card, and I just put the back with some dictionary paper, and then I just made this little journal card, sewed around it, kind of squiggly, so that would fit in there. And that just flips open like that. And then this is this is hiding the envelope, and it's another journal card. I put a little, tag. I put a little pocket on the top and a few journal cards in there, and some more of that fabric that I had. I had a whole bunch of little squares like this. I guess I was making something for a quilt, and I had all of them cut, and I just found them. So I thought, well, they make good tags. So here we are, more journal cards. And here is a little journal card here on the back, and that goes in back there. Can you see that? Maybe I'm not in. Okay. And then on here it's just blank, but you could add a photograph or another image or something. Then back here, I just put some journal cards in here. These are not from the kit. I don't know where they came from, but I sure like to find out because I really like them. But I was just rummaging through my stuff and came across those. Okay. And this one is, I clipped on. This is what I did with the file folder, and I actually cut off the other tab because it just looked weird there. And then inside here, we have all kinds of little pieces of ephemera that you might want to add to the journal somewhere. There's some journal cards. And yeah, bits and pieces of stuff that you might want to use. It's this and that, a little of this and that. Okay, and that just clips there. And let's see here, some more. Some of this paper is a little stronger than like it's not parchment. It's it was some cardstock that I got that is very, very thin for cardstocks. I don't know what the weight is, but that's why I use that. I guess I should tie a bow in this. I'll try to tie a bow. You know how hard bows are for most of us. Okay, so this is another, that was one of the envelopes that I had used for the little book page pocket or envelope. So we did that on camera. Just put some little pieces in there. And this one here is one of those that I made earlier, way earlier, to get ready for fall journals. And I just tucked that in this little tuck. Then back here, I just glued this on here. I didn't make a spot for tucking. And then it has a journal here. This actually has a pocket here. I didn't put anything in it because everything I put kind of took away from her face. So I thought I'd just leave it plain, and you guys maybe want to put something in there, you can. Okay. And then there's just some room for collaging back there. I mean, journaling. Collaging. You could collage it if you want. There's plenty of empty pages for you to continue to, you know, add to this journal. And then back here I have a little book page pocket that I made, and this was another one of the postcards that I made from Tanya's challenge. I think it was stitching, and so that's what I did on that one. So I'm glad I get to use these up. And you can take these out and put them in another journal of yours or one that you're giving away. Then back here we have the writing board. And I just put some elastic in there to hold that writing board in that area. So that's it. I will list this on my Big Cartel website, and that will be in the listing below in the description. And so, yeah, I hope somebody wants to take this home. I know it looks fall, but it could be used all year long, I believe. It's very, I mean, from the beginning of September to whenever, or anytime, actually. It depends, like, people just love these colors. I know I've been wanting to use this fabric for a long time, so I got that accomplished this year. All right, guys, so thanks for watching, and I hope I didn't forget anything or anybody. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.